In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up happy hour. Let's get started. To get started, click on your quick menu. Now, the first thing you're going to want to do when setting up a happy hour is to program your happy hour prices. To do that, we're going to go into our liquor menu. Let's start with vodka. So here, I'm in grid view. You can do this from builder view, but if you're going to add prices for every item, it makes sense to do it in grid view. So here I have my different vodkas, and they're using set item, so I'm going to turn on the set item. So pretty much what I'm going to do is, the well vodka is set for $10. Let's say all my liquor is going to be half off during happy hour. What I'm going to want to do is set all my liquor items to 50% less under price number 2. You could also use price 3 if 2 is being used. For this example, we're going to use price 2. The price levels are pretty much just there for you to program different levels of prices for one item so that you could set it to ring in different prices different times of the day. So for this, I'm going to change this to $5. This is going to be $6. I'm not going to do every item, but just so you get the gist of what I'm doing, I'm changing price to for all my liquor items and for all my set modifiers. If you're not going to discount Rock's Double Martini Cosmo, then you only need to change it on the first pour, which is just the standard well vodka. And you'd want to do that for all your liquor, including if you're going to do it for other types of liquor, beer and wine, you're going to want to program all those prices. So that's where you want to start. Once you have all your happy hour prices configured for price level 2 or price level 3, we're going to get out of quick menu and we're going to go to our back office setup. Under our back office setup, we have restaurant miscellaneous data, and underneath that, we have an option called specials. This is where we're going to program the system to change the price during happy hour. Now that we're in our special screen, we're going to hit add. So here we're going to set a start date. So let's say I don't want it to start today. I want it to start on Monday. That's fine. Now your end date, if you're not sure when your promotion is going to end or your happy hour, you can just set a future date. So I'm going to set it for the year 2022. That way I don't have to worry about it until then, but it will expire on that date. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to turn off Sunday and Saturday because this promotion is only going to be Monday through Friday. Next, I only want it to run from 5 to 7. So I'm going to uncheck every shift that is not from 5 to 7. That way, this promotion only happens Monday through Friday, 5:01 to 7 p.m. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to set the price level change. So I'm saying at this time to use price level 2 or whatever price level you programmed your happy hour prices in. Next, I'm going to choose a major category. So this is going to be for all liquor, and I'm going to do it for all cost centers. Now, cost centers you can change if you only want happy hour to happen at your bar. You can set it to none and then just turn on your bar. It's up to you how you want it to work, but typically it's usually an all restaurant scenario. The next thing I'm going to do is give it a name. So I'm going to call this happy hour Monday through Friday, 5 p.m. to 7 p.m. So once we're done, we're going to hit save. Now also, you might have to program this multiple times. You could see that mixed drinks, beer, and wine are not included in the liquor major category. So if that's the case, I would need to then assign mixed drinks as well as beer as well as wine their own special line, the same as we did the liquor. So now that I have all my different major category groups assigned, liquor, mixed drinks, beer, and wine, I'm going to hit save. If I need these changes to happen right now, I'm going to run an immediate system change to push the changes to the front of the house. If I don't need them to go through right now or I don't want to disrupt my restaurant, I can just leave it and it'll update overnight. Thank you for watching.